Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video, I want to show you how to organize a note in your Notes app using sections and headings. Don't forget to subscribe below and like this video if it was helpful for you. Let's get started. Let's say I'd like a subheading here. I'm going to use my finger to double click to highlight and drag my finger across to highlight all of it. Select my big A, little a, and make this a subheading. As I am sectioning out this, I can collapse it. I can collapse that. So you can create different outline sections within your notes. This is automatically default in my notes to have the first line to be bold. If you do not want that, you can simply highlight it, select the big A, little a, and you can change that format to just the body. If you would like to not double click, you can begin with the big A, little a, and let's say I have a heading here, reason to. Obviously, this heading is now matching this, so I'd like to switch that, double click, highlight, go back, make that a subheading. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Being Classy on social media to stay connected. I'll see you in the next video.